This is an instructional video how to replace the springs and tines on a Haybob. These springs can break during operation. When the spring is broken, the tine will fall down instead of standing upright. Step 1 is to remove the tine by completely loosening the nut and bolt. Step 2. Remove the spring from the bushing. Step 3. Remove the bushing by using a hammer and a driver. Step 4. Pull back the shaft and remove the old spring and plastic washer. Don't lose the washer, you will need it later. This is where the spring broke. Step 5. Replace the new spring and the plastic washer. The extension of the spring on the right side should go in the hole of the frame on the right side. Step 6. Replace the shaft. Use the front hole on the frame and keep the flag down. Step 7. In this position, replace the bushing between the plastic washer and the spring. The bushing should just come out the other end of the shaft, no further. Step 8. Turn the flag forward and replace the spring in the bushing. Step 9. Turn the flag underneath to the backward position to tension the spring. Step 10. Hammer the bushing further in place so that the shaft can turn. The position is correct when you can turn it on the non-spring side and you cannot turn it on the spring side. Step 11. Replace the tine using original nut, bolt and washer. And this is what a good working spring should look like. No special tools required. A standard toolkit will do.